What if the biggest mistake in investing is not what you buy, but how long you stay exposed? What if being fully invested all the time is actually the most fragile position in markets? And what if exposure itself could be turned into a variable decision, only active when conditions justify it, and defensive when they don't? No predictions, no emotions, no opinions, just structured rules reacting to reality. This is TFM Momentum Strategy. Most investors behave in a very consistent way. They stay invested almost permanently, not because it is optimal, but because it feels like the default assumption. Money goes into the market and rarely leaves until volatility forces a reaction. And the result is always the same: full participation in upside and full exposure to downside. The issue is not investing. The issue is constant exposure without adaptation. TFM starts from a different assumption. Markets are not predictable, but they are structured, and that structure evolves over time. So instead of forecasting outcomes, the system reacts to observable conditions and adapts exposure dynamically. The portfolio only exists in 3 states: QQQ, SPY, or cash. That is the entire framework. QQQ represents growth leadership. SPY represents balanced exposure. Cash represents defense. But cash is often misunderstood. It is not inactivity. It is a position, a deliberate allocation to stability and optionality. In fact, cash can be optimized. Instead of holding idle liquidity, it can be placed into ultra-short duration treasury ETFs, such as SGOV. This allows capital to remain defensive, while still generating yield. So even safety becomes productive. So how does the system decide? It is built on a layered filter structure. First, momentum. It identifies which asset is leading, QQQ or SPY. Second, risk control. When conditions deteriorate, exposure is reduced. And underneath that, there is a broader structural filter. It reflects the stability of the market regime itself. When that structure weakens, the system transitions into defense. One important design choice is execution frequency. The system rebalances only once per month. Not because faster is impossible, but because slower is more robust. It reduces noise and avoids overreaction to short-term volatility. In practice, execution can be done at market close, using market-on-close orders when available. This removes intraday emotional interference and enforces discipline. The framework is also fully transparent in terms of testing. Backtests for both versions, TFM Core and TFM Plus, are available for review. They are not predictions. They are historical simulations, designed to evaluate how the system behaves across regimes. And over multiple cycles, the objective remains consistent: reduce drawdowns, stay aligned with trends, avoid catastrophic exposure. There's also an advanced version of the system, TFM Plus. It uses leveraged ETFs, TQQ and UPRO. Same logic, same structure, but amplified exposure. This version is designed for investors who can tolerate significant drawdowns. But even in its aggressive form, risk control remains central. And historically, it has been designed to outperform buy and hold SPY, not by increasing risk blindly, but by avoiding extended drawdown periods. This system is not theoretical for me. It has been developed over several years, initially for personal use, as a way to structure decision-making in markets. And I still use it today on my own portfolio. I eventually decided to share it because this is also how I learned. At its core, this is not about prediction. It is about adaptation. Markets will always change. Regimes will always rotate, so the goal is not to be correct all the time, but to avoid being wrong for too long. But here's the real challenge. Even the best strategy in the world fails if you cannot follow it consistently. Most investors already know what they should do, yet they underperform massively because of fear, greed, doubt, and emotional decision making. Discipline and psychology are not secondary factors, they are the deciding factors. That's why the monthly email is such a powerful advantage. You don't have to watch the markets every day. You don't have to second guess yourself. You don't have to fight your own emotions. Every month, you simply receive the clear allocation, QQ, SPY, or cash. One decision already made for you by the rules. This removes the heaviest psychological burden and turns discipline into something simple and automatic. TFM Momentum Strategy is not a forecast. It is a process, a structured system designed to navigate uncertainty. If you want access to the monthly allocations, the full breakdown of positioning decisions, and the exact rules I use on my own capital, click the link in the description and join right now. The first members already have the complete backtests and the live positioning dashboard. And now a final question. Do you think most investors underperform because of poor strategy or because of emotional decision making? Let me know in the comments.